Hello everyone, welcome back to Meet Data, where we dive into everything data related. Today we are going to discuss about data sources, where all that valuable information comes from and how we use it for research, analysis and decision making. Let's get into it. So what's the deal with data sources? Basically, they are the origins of all the information we use to make decisions and uncover insights. We have got 5 main types: primary, secondary, internal, external, and open data. Let's see what each of these is all about. First up, we have primary data. This is the data you collect yourself straight from the source. Imagine conducting a survey or an interview. It's first hand, which is original data. It's perfect for when you need specific info directly from people or situations. Next, we have secondary data. This is the data someone else has already gathered. Think of it like using a library of research papers, reports, or statistics. It's a great way to save time because someone else did the work already for you. Now on to internal data. This is all about the data that comes from within an organization, like sales numbers, customer feedback, employee data, you name it. It helps businesses see how they are doing and plan their next move. Then we have external data. This data is from outside the organization. Market trends, industry reports, or even competitor insights fall into this category. It's like getting a peek at what's happening in the world around you. Lastly, we have got open data. This is that data open to everyone for free. Think of government stats, public health data, or open source projects. It's also promoting innovation and collaboration. And there you have it, the 5 types of data sources: primary, secondary, internal, external, and open. Each one has its own special role in helping us make informed decisions. Thank you for hanging out. Catch you next time.